Today, I'm gonna start and sell a product on TikTok Shop Live so you can see all the elements that it takes to start making sales as a TikTok Shop affiliate, even as a complete beginner. The reason I'm doing this is to show you how accessible this business model is for anybody that just has two things: a phone and a Wi-Fi connection. And if you just copy and paste what I'm about to show you, you'll be able to start generating commissions from home at your own convenience, even if you don't want to show your face within the next 12 hours. In a nutshell, here's the 4 things that we're gonna do today. 1, we're gonna get our hands on a TikTok Shop affiliate account that's eligible to sell. 2, we're gonna research what the top trending products are that already have proven demand. 3, we're gonna go ahead and craft a script for that top winning product so we can identify our customers and we can talk their language. We can also increase our conversion rates. And then lastly, 4, of course, we're gonna go live. I'm gonna show you the whole setup of how I do this, and we're gonna actually do this until we generate our first sale on the live. First things first, we gotta get our hands on a TikTok Shop affiliate account so we can actually start earning commissions. Now, for everybody who's new to this and you don't know what TikTok Shop quite is, I'm just gonna break it down here and show you what it is on the phone. So it's basically this new revolutionary business model where you can pretty much just go on TikTok and you can see that people are selling on lives right now. So this guy right here is selling a product on TikTok Shop Live, and every time somebody clicks this link down below to actually buy the product that he's promoting, he earns a $6 commission, as you can see right here. Okay, so he's going live right now. He has about, I would say, 329 people in this lobby right now, and it's a great way to start making sales predictably. You can do like $150 to $200 an hour doing this, but not every account is eligible to get this. So in order to make this happen, this brings us to step 1, which is actually getting a TikTok Shop account that is eligible. I have a few of them sitting around already, but for everybody who's watching right now, if you want to actually get an account, you'll have to buy them from a supplier, or you can grow it yourself organically. I'd rather just buy it from somebody for about $200 to $400. It really depends what your budget is, but just keep in mind there's gonna be a lot of issues that may arise if you go for cheaper accounts. So I actually got a plug right here on my supplier. He's in our private group where we have like 400 people doing the same exact thing, but he basically supplies all of me and my partners with TikTok Shop accounts. So if you're interested in that, check out the description for a link maybe to join. All right, but I'm gonna show you what his what the buying process is with him. So as you can see, I had scheduled some information with him and basically sent him the payment over Wise. And you can see right here that he gave me the logins, which is this right here. So now that we have that account, I could go ahead and log in, but that's pretty much what the buying process would look like. It's very simple. And we covered step 1. So now let's move over to finding over what product we actually want to promote and what's actually getting sales right now. You guys know the one thing that people say when you first start making some income is you gotta invest in your health. So that's why I invest in food from one of my best chefs right here. This is Mephi right here. He's chefing something nuts for us, guys. All right, as you can see, he goes crazy with it. We got some salmon going on. We got chicken fajitas that he's preparing, some stews. So that's on the works right now. But as he's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and find our winning product. Now, this process is actually easier than you think. You just gotta go and use the same exact tool right here. So right here, what I like to do is you go into TikTok Shop Creator Center, right? And I'll just show you guys the process by turning the camera around. So here's how you actually find the products after you get a TikTok Shop affiliate account. You're gonna be in a dashboard that looks like this. You're gonna click on the affiliate center. Here's what we've been doing for the past few days, just so you guys know. If you go to product marketplace, you're gonna see it has a tab right here called top selling. I'm gonna click that tab, and then I'm just gonna see right off the bat all the top 100 products. And let me just let y'all know that you only need to have one winning product that's gonna drive all your sales and commissions, make you 10, 15K a month for 3-4 months at a time, okay? Because these products have a long shelf life in terms of TikTok, unless it's something that's obviously like a summer product, right? So right here, we can see that these patches have been going crazy. This is an example of one. that's consistently rising. So this is showing proven demand. It has good reviews. 184,000 units sold in the past month alone. And if we keep going down, I just want to find something that is relevant to me, something that is actually getting a good amount of commissions, and something that is going to be a little bit easier to promote, right? So something that has it solves an insecurity. So here's one that I really like. This is in the top 100 and it's sold 29K within the past month. But look at that growth right there. You see this growth? This is insane. So what that means is that there's a lot more demand for this product and there's not a lot of affiliates to keep up with this. So this is how you hack your lives to get more social proof into the lives. So that's why this is so important, doing that research. You would have never guessed that these products are actually working. But this product right here is a Be Body Wise growth serum. And what it does is it basically helps people regrow their hair, their eyebrows, wherever they're thinning. So this is great for like an insecurity-based product because it helps people who are suffering from like hair loss and are insecure about that, or people who are having like a receding hairline or any patchiness or balding that women might be having. It's very scalable too because men and women are dealing with this issue. So we're gonna have all types of people in our lives to interact with. So now that we have our account, we have an idea of what kind of products we want to sell. It's just up to you to go order it from Amazon and get it quicker so that you can start selling right away, or you can request a sample from one of these sellers after you have a certain amount of GMV, which they will send to you for free. But I highly recommend to just go and get it from Amazon. It's much quicker that way. Now, luckily, I do have this product, okay? I ordered it maybe 2 days ago, and here's what it actually looks like. This one thing is gonna generate a lot of sales simply because of that demand. So it's trending right now. Now we have to figure out what the actual pain points is. So we're at the third step where we have to figure out what the script is, identifying who our target markets are, what's the benefits of this product, why is the best alternative on the market. We essentially got to find out, why is this trending now? Why is it not trending 2 months ago or 3 months ago? Why now? And we need to compare it to alternatives so we're not looking crazy on the live. We need to know exactly what we're talking about, okay? What ingredients are here, etc. So that's why I'm gonna pop in my laptop right here. I'm gonna do some research by looking at the reviews, and we could do this together, actually. Let's do it. All right, guys, so the first step in doing this is to just do a simple Google research on the product. So I'm just gonna go to Google and type in Body Wise Hair Growth Serum. Okay, how does the Be Body Wise Hair Serum actually work? Yes, it works. Generally considered effective by many users. Okay, positive reviews, seeing hair in reduction in hair fall and new hair growth after consistent use, often within a few months. Key ingredients: the serum contains ingredients like rendensil, aminexil, rosemary, which are known for their potential to stimulate hair growth follicles and promote growth. Okay, the roll-on is applied. Okay, and consistency is crucial for this in order to work. Some users mentioned potential side effects like scalp irritation or itching, but these are not universally reported. So it's just important to know about these things. Now, we can do more research on the actual ingredients here, but I think the main point is we know that it's targeting women, and we want it to prevent hair thinning, we want it to prevent hair fall off, and we want it to promote hair growth. So those are going to be the things we like to talk about. Usually with these types of products, I like to find something like an image of a before and after, even if it's not yourself. It just helps that when the people come into your lives, that they see what the product is solving from a visual standpoint right away, right? Rather than you having to explain it, you need something visually that you can stick on to the top of the live to show a transformation so that you can sell the product even when you're not speaking about it right away, because people are coming into the lives at all times. So we need to cover ground there. So what I'll do is I'll go and I'll find like a before and after picture. So hair loss before and after, and I'll try to craft a picture kind of like they had on the Be Body Wise website of the hair thinning from, you know, showing like the before and after results, just like this one. You see this? So we want to take this, basically tailor it to your target market, and we want to make sure that we keeping that posted into the TikTok live. I'll show you how to set that up in the next stage. But we're going to take these details that we have now and craft a script using ChatGPT. So we'll go here and just say, generate me a, you know, I'm just going to do voice note here. Easier. So I'm going to say, generate me a TikTok shop live selling script for the Be Body Wise Hair Growth Serum Roll-On, which contains rosemary, rendensil, aminexil, and anagain. I want to talk about how the product is used. I want to talk about why it's a trending product right now. I want to talk about the main use cases and the results people have been seeing. I also want to mention how it has social proof and getting a lot of orders and social credibility with happy customers. And you can also include some urgency factors that can get people to be encouraged to buy the product right away on the TikTok Shop Live, because the usual price is about $65, but it's on sale for $20 today alone. And if they buy two, they can get free shipping. So generate me a script. Don't use any emojis. Keep it concise and easy to read. Now we're just going to generate that script. Now, once we have this script ready, we're not going to just be reading it like a robot. It's just going to be something to refer to. But while we're on the live, we want to make sure that we're primarily focused on the comments of what people are saying on the TikTok Shop Live. And then we can use the script if we run out of things to say. So here's what ChatGPT generated me. You guys can pause the video to check this out yourself. Okay. So main benefits. So this is pretty good. I'll just copy and paste this into a Google Doc, and then we'll have it open on our computer tab just in case we run out of things to say. Now we can move to the final step, which is setting up and start making some sales. Yeah, so we're about to start going live. I just want to show you what the setup looks like so you don't overthink this. All you're going to need is a nice and shiny light. I'm choosing to do this face showing. Okay, so I'm facing the camera, showing my face, and you don't have to do it like that. If you wanted to do it without showing your face, the only thing I would change is this, flipping this the other way. I would have the camera or the iPhone on this pointing the other way, and then just demonstrating the product with whatever's picture that we have over the image. But right now, this is good enough. You can get this light off of TikTok or Amazon for about $12 or $20. Right, it makes a big difference in the quality, and I would highly recommend you getting a light before you start. Okay, so I'm gonna have that here. I also have this phone stand right here. Since I'm gonna be showing my face, I'm gonna put my phone right here, and I'm gonna be sitting right in front of it. So I have the light right here. I also have the phone here where I'm gonna be interacting with people. And the key element that you guys are gonna want is the TikTok streamer dashboard right here. So right here, this is a streamer dashboard specifically designed for people who are going on live with TikTok. And you want to go to shop.tiktok.com/streamer/live/product dashboard. Okay. And you're going to be able to log into your account. It automatically hooks up to whatever your account is when you log in. So whenever I go live, it's going to automatically do a feed here so I can see what's going on. I can moderate the chats because people do troll in the chats too. And you can see any sales coming in, any GMV, the current viewers, your duration, all that. All right. It gives you just more accessibility. And I also get to add the products to my live directly from here. So you can see I can go over here to I can go add the products directly from here. Okay, so I could go to showcase products. So this one right here, I can click. You can see that that's the Be Body Wise product. And I'm getting $6 a commission on this product right here. So it's a pretty good one. I don't need to do too much. I can make a lot of sales. And there's some upsells here as well. So you can see that this one is pinned. It's pinned right now. I just got to go live from my phone. So I'll show you what that looks like. right now. Okay, so here's what's going on. I'm about to queue up the live and I'm gonna show you that image that I actually went for. So in order to queue up the live, you just go here, just like you're about to make a regular post. You're gonna open this up and then you're gonna click the live section on the side. And here is the actual image. So I'm gonna go to effects here and then I'm gonna pull up the actual image right here by going here, and then I'm going to pick that image that I made. So it's a before and after showcasing a woman with hair loss who actually got some results. Add the product right here, the Be Body Wise. I'm gonna click done, and then I'm just gonna go live. That's all there is to it. And then once we go live, we're gonna start getting some people in. We need to have the product shown at all times and be demonstrating how to actually apply it. And then we could go ahead and start generating sales right away. All right, so at this point, I was pretty much just going over that script. And what you wanna take note of is it's really important to keep going even when you mess up. You don't have to be as perfect as videos. You just have to engage with the audience first, because they're gonna ask questions and usually they've already seen the product before, which is why they're even getting introduced to your live, right? You're just a retargeting. So all you got to do is answer some basic questions, have your personality, don't be nervous, realize that it's just humans, okay? These are just humans that you're talking to, and all of them are actually very interested in the product. You will get trolls here and there, but the best thing to do is either ignore them, or two, take what they're saying and reverse it and turn it into a sale. Just be positive about it the whole time. Answer people's questions, and then if you run out of things to say, that's when you glance over at your script. Okay, so I kept doing this for a few moments, and we'll get you the final results of how this live actually went and how much money we actually made. Go ahead and apply it to the eyebrows. I see that Matt just purchased. Shout out to Matt. Matt just made a purchase because Matt doesn't want to deal with those things anymore that he's been dealing with in the past. So Matt, shout out to you. I want to give you a huge congrats. I want to invite you to go ahead and give me a follow. I'll save an actual extended clip of this live session, and I have it inside my private group. So if you want to see how that's actually done in action, to actually watch me doing the live, then you can join that. It's absolutely free, by the way, okay? You can just join that. It's a whole bunch of free resources, over 500 people in there, and it's going to show you how to set everything up in more detail than this YouTube video, while also showing you all my scripts, going through everything with full transparency. All right, guys, I just wrapped up the live, and here are the results. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so $150 in direct GMV. We went live for exactly an hour, and on this, I believe we made how much in commissions? So this is what the conversion rates look like, but let's go back out into the commissions and see what we made. All right, we can see we made $44 in commissions just off of an hour of work. So it's just a matter of I'm doing this for more hours. You're able to get however much money based off of the work that you put in.